It's a wedding picture.
It was too short.
Trisha had been married barely 9 months when she lost her husband to COVID-19 this summer.
Once the governor opened the state back up, we thought we were all safe to, go back to the restaurants and to public places, and it just wasn't, and we both got it. And unfortunately, he wasn't able to beat it. He was forced into a coma on a ventilator, and he remained there for 3 weeks until he passed away.
William Kirby's remains were delivered to the family after months of delays due to the pandemic. His teenage daughter wasn't able to bid farewell to her father.
The hospital was full, and when you get in there, you had to suit up and everything. And even with suiting up, I still ended up getting COVID and wasn't even able to go to his funeral. So, and then with being in that house, then my grandparents got it, and they're older, so it's all very, very catchy, and it was scary.
It took nearly 6 months for the family to be able to organize a small gathering for their loved one. And they're not alone. In the funeral home next door, another service is being held in honor of another COVID victim. We're outside a funeral home in Phoenix, Arizona, where staff members did not want to speak on camera, but they did tell me that the number of requests they received just in the month of January alone has nearly doubled up compared to the previous months. And also, speaking to the workers out here, they say that now they have to dig nearly twice as many graves compared to the previous months. Last week, Arizona had the country's worst COVID-19 diagnosis rate, while its average daily deaths per capita also ranked highest in the nation. As for coronavirus safety measures, Governor Doug Ducey has been criticized for doing too little, too late.
The governor has not done anything to protect our state. Just last week, he was on the news saying that he was going to end online schooling, that schools were not going to be funded if kids weren't in those seats.
Danea is an essential worker, and after everything she had to go through, she's frustrated about the ongoing apathy among locals.
People aren't taking it seriously. Nothing's changed. People are still out. People go with no mask. They're around a bunch of people. The least you can do is put a mask on and wash your hands if you have to go out of the house.
Arizona is now increasing its vaccination efforts, but a significant number of residents have already paid a heavy price. It is Tianshan, CGTN, Phoenix, Arizona.